What you doing, Daniel?
No, my shopping.
You're shopping? You got a shopping cart? Can you say hi to everybody?
Hi, buddy.
What you got on your face? What are those?
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses. Did you get a new shopping cart? Is there food in your shopping cart?
Yeah.
Yeah?